For more than 60 years, TB Global Technologies has been actively contributing to the Japanese energy security. 100% of LNG imported in Japan is transferred through our original Niigata loading arms. Our company is providing first-class equipment and services for the transfer of liquids and gases at ambient, elevated or cryogenic temperatures. Our loading arms are entirely made in Japan at our Nagaoka factory that is also our center of excellence. We are very proud to say that for decades, no offloading operation of LNG was missed. Over time, our experts have enhanced the technology to cope with the actual requirements in terms of safety and reliability. We want to be an active player in the energy transition, and for that we have developed a series of products for LCO2, CCS and ammonia. In a country where tradition and innovation cohabit, we are fostering the Japanese creative mindset to design the future products that the industry will require, eliminating labor-intensive tasks in marine terminal, using as much as possible automation, robotics, remote maintenance and troubleshooting are among the subjects our company is working on today. There are more and more offshore projects, and to meet the new requirements in terms of dynamic motion, we have to develop other devices like the chokeson, which is to control the movement of the loading arm, or the electric drive, because in terms of environmental problems, we want to get rid of the hydraulic systems. If I had to define TB Global Technologies in one sentence only, I would say this is a Rolls-Royce of the loading arm at an affordable price of a Japanese car and with unlimited life expectancy.